Hit the like button, and if you hit 60, let me know. Gabby, Jesus, please. I want the pepper there. Look at the pepper busting that pot, Gabby. Hold on. Father Abraham. The pity them going to be so mad. What am I gonna do, guys? The pepper busting on the pot, bro. No, sir. This is wickedness. Gabby, your teeth, the cucumber, you know. See you know. Let me tell you something, I have eyes behind my head. What do I do if the pepper bursts in the pot? What do I put in there to neutralize the pepper? Come on, guys. One more like. Let me know what I put in there to neutralize the pepper. I didn't see that the pepper burst. And it's so spicy, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be too spicy. I wonder if I can put some sugar in there. Okay. Alright, somebody says sugar. I'll see. Alright, I'm gonna have to do that, guys. Because I didn't realize that it burst, bro. You know I can't eat this.